Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Ethical hackers use their knowledge for good. They are the white knights of the cyber realm, using their skills to protect rather than to harm. They probe systems, looking for weaknesses. This involves rigorous testing and analysis, often simulating attacks to uncover hidden vulnerabilities. Think of it like this: just as you wouldn't leave your home unprotected, you shouldn't leave your digital assets vulnerable. Ethical hackers do the same for digital systems. They ensure that the defenses are strong enough to withstand potential attacks. They help organizations build stronger defenses. This collaborative effort is vital in creating a secure digital environment. We need these digital guardians to stay one step ahead of cybercriminals. Their vigilance and expertise are our best defense against the ever-present threat of cyber attacks. Every cybersecurity professional needs the right tools. Kali Linux is the ultimate toolkit for ethical hackers. It's a powerful operating system packed with specialized software. Imagine a workshop filled with advanced gadgets. That's Kali Linux. It has tools for scanning networks, testing passwords, and finding vulnerabilities. One of the key advantages of Kali Linux is its versatility. It runs on computers, laptops, and even virtual machines. This portability makes it ideal for ethical hackers on the go. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting, Kali Linux is an invaluable resource. Its user-friendly interface and comprehensive tools make it a must-have for any ethical hacker. In the digital realm, passwords are the keys to our most valuable assets. They protect our emails, bank accounts, and sensitive information. But passwords can also be the weakest link in cybersecurity. Weak passwords, reused passwords, and predictable patterns make it easy for attackers to gain unauthorized access. Think of it like this: leaving your front door unlocked. That's what using a weak password is like. Strong passwords, on the other hand, are like having a steel door with multiple locks. Educating users about password security is crucial. Strong, unique passwords are the first line of defense against cyber threats. Ethical hackers need to understand how attackers operate. This includes knowing how to crack passwords to identify vulnerabilities. Kali Linux provides a range of tools for this purpose. Tools like Hydra and John the Ripper use sophisticated algorithms to test different password combinations. Imagine a safecracker trying different combinations to unlock a safe. That's similar to how these tools work. They systematically try different passwords until they find the right one. The goal isn't to encourage malicious activity. Instead, it's about understanding how attackers exploit weak passwords. This knowledge helps organizations strengthen their security measures. Section 5. The human factor. Weakest link or strongest asset. Technology plays a critical role in cybersecurity, but we can't overlook the human element. People are often the target of social engineering attacks. Phishing emails, malicious links, and deceptive phone calls are all designed to trick individuals into revealing sensitive information. Think of it like this: a con artist using charm and persuasion to gain someone's trust. Social engineering attackers use similar tactics in the digital world. Educating users about these threats is essential. By raising awareness and promoting cybersecurity best practices, we can empower individuals to become a strong line of defense. Section 6. Ethical hacking in action. Real-world scenarios. Ethical hacking plays a vital role in various industries, from finance to healthcare, and even government sectors. These professionals are the unsung heroes who work tirelessly behind the scenes to protect sensitive data and maintain the integrity of critical systems. Let's look at some real-world scenarios where ethical hackers make a difference. Their work is not just about finding vulnerabilities, but also about creating a safer digital environment for everyone. Penetration testing. Ethical hackers simulate real-world attacks to identify vulnerabilities in systems and networks. This proactive approach allows organizations to understand their security weaknesses before malicious hackers can exploit them. This helps organizations fix weaknesses before they can be exploited. By addressing these vulnerabilities, companies can avoid potential data breaches, financial losses, and damage to their reputation. Web application security. Ethical hackers assess the security of websites and web applications, looking for vulnerabilities that attackers could exploit to steal data or take control of systems. This is crucial in an age where online transactions and digital interactions are the norm. Social engineering assessments. Ethical hackers test an organization's resilience against social engineering attacks by sending simulated phishing emails or making phone calls to assess employee awareness. This helps in training staff to recognize and respond to potential threats effectively. These are just a few examples of how ethical hackers help organizations strengthen their security posture. Their work is essential in building a robust defense against the ever-evolving landscape of cyber threats, ensuring a safer digital world for all. Section 7. The future is secure. Opportunities for ethical hackers. The demand for skilled cybersecurity professionals is skyrocketing. As technology evolves and cyber threats become more sophisticated, the role of ethical hackers becomes even more critical. Organizations across all industries are investing heavily in cybersecurity. This creates exciting opportunities for individuals with the right skills and knowledge. From penetration testers to security analysts and consultants, the field offers diverse career paths. Ethical hackers are in high demand, and this demand is only going to grow in the coming years. Section 8. Never stop learning. Staying ahead of the curve. The world of cybersecurity is constantly changing. New threats emerge every day, and ethical hackers need to stay ahead of the curve. Continuous learning is essential. Ethical hackers must constantly update their skills and knowledge to keep pace with the latest attack techniques and vulnerabilities. Attending conferences, participating in online forums, and pursuing certifications are great ways to stay informed and connected with the cybersecurity community. Remember, the best way to beat the bad guys is to think like them, and that requires staying one step ahead. Section 9. Embrace the challenge. Become a cybersecurity champion. Ethical hacking is more than just a job. It's a calling. It's a profession that demands a unique blend of technical expertise, creativity, and a deep sense of responsibility. As an ethical hacker, you are the frontline defender against cyber threats, constantly adapting to new challenges and evolving technologies. It's about using your skills to make a real difference in the world. Every day, you'll be tasked with identifying vulnerabilities, thwarting cyber attacks, and ensuring the safety of sensitive information. Your work will have a direct impact on the security and trustworthiness of digital systems. If you're passionate about technology and driven by a desire to protect others from cyber threats, then ethical hacking might be the perfect path for you. This field offers endless opportunities for growth and learning, as cyber threats are constantly evolving. The journey won't be easy. You'll face complex problems and high-stakes situations that require quick thinking and innovative solutions. But with perseverance and dedication, you'll develop the skills needed to excel. It requires dedication, hard work, and a constant thirst for knowledge. Staying ahead of cyber criminals means continuously updating your skills and staying informed about the latest threats and defense mechanisms, but the rewards are immense. Not only will you gain a deep sense of accomplishment from solving complex problems, but you'll also be part of a community of like-minded professionals who share your passion for cybersecurity. You'll have the opportunity to protect organizations and individuals from cyber attacks, making the digital world a safer place for everyone. Embrace the challenge. Become a cybersecurity champion. Your journey starts now.